If you have previously closed your Robinhood account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website or app. Go to the Robinhood website or open the mobile app on your device. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the Apple website. Step 4. Select account reopening option. Look for an option related to account status or reopening your account. Follow the prompts provided to indicate that you wish to reopen your closed account. Step 5. Confirm your identity and submit. You may need to verify your identity by providing personal information or answering security questions. After confirming your identity, submit your request to reopen the account. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation from Robinhood regarding the status of your account reopening. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.